While having a comfortable sleep, there's one thing that can disturb you, and that is mosquitoes, which can also cause deadly diseases. So is there any way by which we can get rid of these? To solve this problem, India's #1 selling air conditioner brand, LG, have launched a unique technology called Mosquito Away, which repels the mosquitoes away by using absolutely safe ultrasonic sound wave technology. Mosquitoes easily sense the carbon dioxide exhaled by you and get attracted towards it. LG Air Conditioner's Mosquito Away technology emits ultrasonic waves from the AC, which reduce the ability of mosquitoes to sense carbon dioxide. That's how it prevents the mosquitoes from coming near you, which means no disturbance and maximum comfort. To support this claim, LG recently demonstrated this technology live at the Tech Show. A Terminator zone was set up where laboratory conditions were recreated. 2 separate rooms with glass chambers were constructed. One room had a normal air conditioner, while the other had the LG's Mosquito Away air conditioner. Clinically bred mosquitoes were collected in a glass tube. And were first released in the chamber of the room with the normal AC. As we can see, the mosquitoes were flying all over inside the tunnel with perfect ease. Similarly, the mosquitoes were then released inside the chamber, connected with the room having the LG Mosquito Away technology air conditioner. The LG Mosquito Away technology was then turned on with a simple press of the dedicated key on the AC remote controller. As we can see, the mosquitoes slowly became inactive and were knocked down inside the chamber. LG Air Conditioner's Mosquito Away technology has been certified by various renowned organizations around the world for performance and safety as per the standards set up by International Radiation Protection Agency, France, and Health Protection Agency, UK. It has also been certified for European conformity. Hence, LG Mosquito Away's ultrasonic wave technology is absolutely safe for humans. Moreover, as no chemicals are used, it is odor-free as well.